Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start a secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. So first of all, you have to open the Messenger app and then go to the person's chat with whom you want to have a secret conversation. Now here you have to tap the I button at the top right corner of the screen and you will see one option, start end-to-end encrypted chat. So go ahead and press that. Now here your chat has become secret. Now to make it more secret, what you have to do is you have to turn on disappearing messages by using this timer button at the bottom of the screen. So press that, and using this button you can turn on disappearing message. So this way your messages will get automatically removed from the chat after the set time duration. Alright, so if you will select 5 seconds and you are going to send a message like hey, so after the person has read your message, the message will get removed after 5 seconds of reading it. So I hope I am clear with that. So that's how disappearing messages work. So you can set any time duration you want, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds. Alright, so I'm going to select 5 seconds and press OK. So you can clearly read the message here that you turned on disappearing messages. All new messages will be removed for each person 5 seconds after they have been seen. Alright, so now I'm going to send a message to this person. Now I'm going to switch to this account to whom I have sent this message. So I'm going to change my Facebook account. So that's the account to which I have sent the disappearing message. As you can see, there are 2 chat boxes with the same name. So the first one is a secret one. So I'm going to press that and open and read the message. And as you can see, the timer is on. 3, 2, 1, go. So the message got removed. Alright, so if you will use the disappearing message option, no one would be able to see your chats. This will also remove the message from your chat box as well. So now I'm gonna go back to my first account and I will show you there. Alright, so I'm back to my original account, and as you can see, the chat is still on the secret chat, but the message has got disappeared as the receiver has already read it, and it got disappeared after 5 seconds of reading it, as I showed you, right? So that's how disappearing messages work, and you can have a secret conversation on Facebook Messenger. But in case if you want no one to know about it, make sure you delete this chat as well. Alright, otherwise it will show in your chat box right here with all your contacts. So you have to long press this and then you have to press delete. So make sure to do that, alright, and your regular chat will continue showing up here, right here. So that's the normal chat, and if you want to have a secret conversation, you can just press the I button and turn on the start end-to-end encrypted chat and just turn on the disappearing messages. So that's all you have to do. That was all for today's topic. If you have any suggestions for my next videos, you can mention that in the comment section below. You can also visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, that has a lot of informational content written by various expert writers. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.